let's try to see if these pry bars can put in some work. Let's check it out. So this shit broke off of the Suburban. I saw a couple of videos, but they totally fucked them up. Excuse my language. They totally messed them up. It looks like they have this pin right here. You gotta pull back. And then it has another one in here. Let's see how it goes. I saw everybody break the clip, and I'm not trying to do that shit. I heard it. Damn. Got it. Got it. Boom, bitch. So far, so good. But I ain't trying to break it, like I said. Looks like it came out on this end. Gotcha, bitch. Fuck you. You see that, motherfucker? This one's a little sharper. Let's see if we can do this. Oh! Gotcha, bitch. Okay. Boom. Fuck it. Didn't break that shit. Alright, let's figure it out. A plier. I got mine from Rock Tool. SK05 VG with the VG10 blade. Boom. Done. Nice. Rock tool, pry tool, pry tool. Took a minute. Let's make sure I put it up the right way. Watch it, it breaks. There it is, man. Sorry for not being able to